Hello YouTube, it's Mark Woods with another video. Here to bring you the unboxing of these new 6x9s. Now, I wanted to go 6.5s all around the truck, but I just didn't like how those 6.5s was fitting in the front. I mean, it was a lot more space than I thought it was gonna be. So that's why I had to get them 6x9s, man. It's like we getting the 6x9s and we gonna just call it the day on that. But let's get ready to check them out. I ain't got my stand. I don't know. I think my stand is still in the truck. But man, open them up. There we go. Two big ones. Well, one big one. Pull them out. Got a little weight on them. I mean, all this car audio stuff I'm gonna have up here, man, it ain't gonna even make no sense. But I'm gonna keep it up here to show myself how much, different work I done did. Let's take a look at the specs. 1 second. It's like damn D say, who gives up about a box? But okay. Let's check it out. I've been cleaning up a lot up in here, believe it or not. When you don't got no car, you don't really got nothing else to do. That, 4 ohms, 250 watts handling power, which is nice. It's got a real good, it's weigh like about 4 pounds, 5 pounds. Look like it's got a pretty good magnet on it. Let's go ahead and open her up. More stickers. And that's what I'm gonna start doing, guys. I might do a live and it's probably just give all you guys stickers, because I got so many stickers right now. There we go. The bullets. Let's pull this out. And this is not to say that the PRVs don't sound good. They sound great. It's just, what I'm saying, it just leaves too much space up in there. But here we go. Look at that. Got the little bullet in the middle. Let's pull this out. We're doing this with one hand. I want to see how it is to connect it. I only got one connector. Let's see. If I get a hold of the other, I might continue the video on and just get a hold of the other one if I can compare them though. But the magnet on here is nice. Yes. Does it got spiders in here? Yep, it actually got spiders on there, yeah. Nice little surround. Yeah. I think these the ones my brother Roma have. Me and Roma, we kinda like the same stuff, so this is like we always find the same thing, like 250. I mean, they look good, man. On the bottom. Yeah, they look good, man. I ain't gonna hold this video too long. Now we got more to do. Yeah, both of these, they run like 90. I think it was what, $80 for both of them, which was pretty good, man. I mean, I can't complain about that. So we're still waiting on the truck. Right now they didn't send the truck to Chrysler. Yeah, I'm just hoping they fix everything on it for it can run real good for the next, 3 to 4 years. A lot of people don't really trust Chrysler products like that. I know a lot of YouTubers down Chrysler, so Chrysler and Fiat. And that's basically what my truck is built from. It's built from Chrysler and Fiat. But I have missed my truck, man. You know, thanks to the new lady, man. It's like I wouldn't even be getting nowhere if it weren't for her. But appreciate you guys too, man. Like, how could we forget? You guys make this channel. I take a lot of you guys' advice, and we, what I'm saying, I do everything. Do a lot, and I ain't gonna say everything, but I do a lot of things that you guys, recommend. But yeah, you know, so I hope you all enjoy the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you haven't already, go join the Facebook group, D.I.Y gang. It's gonna be, the link will be in the description. Check us out, man. Hey, it's an open group for everybody, so it's not a private group. Come on in, man. Let's chuck it up. And I will be going to the Facebook group, and what I'm saying, and posting these 6x9s. So if you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.